Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from thecesarlife.com, and I am back in the beam. Yeah, it feels good to be back home, although, vacation isn't bad either, but I was really antsy to get back and start working on some things, because when you have momentum, right, you just gotta keep plugging away. Anyways, a few updates. So on the flight back from Salt Lake to Boston, I'm going to be plugging Amazon and JetBlue with this one. So basically, with when you're in the air, you log into Amazon, the JetBlue Wi-Fi to use Amazon, and you get added points if you have the credit card and if you have JetBlue. Don't quote me on that one. I got to figure that out. But those two services was able to get more points into my Amazon account. But that's not the point. The point of this is that making some few upgrades to the equipment that I had. So I got a $250 gift card for my birthday and Christmas, thanks to the in-laws. So I am going to be upgrading some equipment. One of the equipment that I've updated was the lighting in here, because the lighting in this office is pretty old. This lighting that I'm using right now is just a standard dimmer light, and I'm going to just get some actual lights from Newer. I'm going to do a full review on that once they come in. I've watched a ton of reviews and they came back pretty awesome. So just going to give them a try. They were inexpensive, so I decided to why not just invest in it and get, highlight this beautiful face of mine. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, also, I got a new microphone for this camera because, Rode, look at this, Rode. Look what happened. And it's not like I'm an adventure junkie, but you see what happened? Literally, it just fell apart. And I tried to do the whole Gorilla Glue thing, so it didn't work. So the mic is actually really well, but it works really well, but the plastic, man, is just super cheap, so it just broke. So right now I'm using the bigger Rode microphone on top of the M50, but yeah, man, this is no bueno. So if anybody knows how to connect this back together, or should I just send it back to Rode and they send me a new one, just let me know. But it's not a good look. Also, this lighting system here, this is for shooting in dark, shooting outside. Watch your eyes. See that? I got a bigger version of this to put on top of the camera because I'm going to be doing some late night events at lounges and etc. So it's going to be really low lights. So I'm going to have a device like this, but it's bigger. It's going to be on top of the camera. So I ordered that one as well. All of those, I'm going to do a full comprehensive review once I get them. They should be coming in tomorrow, or with Amazon Prime, probably 2 days the latest. So hopefully by the weekend I have a full review of the new setup and whatnot. So yeah, I did mention I got it, and then I have a lavalier mic that I'm going to have where I can not have that big microphone on me. I could just hook it up to the lapel and whatnot and start talking freely with a transmitter on top of it and whatnot. So those are the mini upgrades that I'm going to be making to this channel, because I am super committed. Any sort of money that this channel generates, I am going to invest back in you guys, because my entire goal is to help you live up to your fullest potential, and whatever sort of tips, advice that I can provide you know, while the quality of the video to keep you interested and locked in to consume the information, I'm more than willing to do that. So those are certain things that we got coming up. Just got off of the phone with the mastermind group, and we are pretty much trucking. We are coming up with our mission statement for the Facebook group that we launched, and sort of committing to some content because we're going to be contributors to the Facebook group. So we're looking to see what is our strong suit. My strong suit is video, and also looking to help them produce more video for their business. So if you're in the Boston area and you're an entrepreneur and you want to add video to your business, hit me up, because your boy, this is what he's going to be doing. Or if you're trying to get fit and ripped, hit me up as well, because I'm trying to blend those two together. So tons of those projects coming up. I'm going to be filming some more podcasts for other individuals as well, and taking you along for the ride, right? What else we got going on? Yeah, that's about it. I'm back, and yeah, this week is pretty light for me, so I'm going to get as much workout in as I possibly can, because next week is going to be super busy, right? So just like hit the pavement and get to work. Anyway, let me shout out these guys right here. Black by popular demand. Yeah, they hooked me up for the low. So I'm going to leave their link down below as well. So go check them out. They got a ton of awesome gear. This is one of the garments that I was able to pick up and come home to. So I was like, why not just throw it on and represent, right? Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla.